Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting now. Tear or cut day-old bread into 1/2-inch cubes and preheat to 250 degrees if using an oven. Arrange a single layer on a parchment-lined tray so air circulates. Once loaded, slide trays in and set a timer for 15 minutes. Flip pieces to expose all sides. You're doing this to remove surface moisture evenly, not to toast fully. Make sure to monitor early so crusts don't brown. This initial low, steady heat prevents burning while pushing moisture out. Once trays have been flipped and the bread is drying, continue in 15-minute cycles and watch for color change. If edges brown, lower to 225 degrees. You want a crisp, dry texture throughout. Snap a cube open to check the middle. If it still feels slightly moist, return it to the oven in short intervals. If it's crisp, stop heating. Make sure to cool the dried pieces fully at room temperature. Residual heat can trap moisture, so cooling is critical before you move on to grinding. You'll finish by pulsing the cooled pieces in a food processor to your preferred crumb size. Use short pulses for coarse crumbs and longer ones for fine. Once ground, sift to separate fine crumbs from larger flakes. Return any large bits for a second pulse. Make sure to label and store in airtight jars. Room temperature for a couple weeks, refrigerator for months, freezer for longer. If crumbs feel soft later, re-dry briefly. That's your troubleshooting tip when moisture returns.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.